Hi everyone. Today we're showcasing the top 5 best CarPlay AI boxes available in the market. If you want prices or more details, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at AutoCast P3 Pro Auto A Box Smart AI Box. This smart in-car Android system transforms your driving experience into a fully connected digital cockpit. The AI voice assistant enables true hands-free control, allowing you to manage calls, navigation, music, and apps without taking your eyes off the road, improving both safety and convenience. Its HDMI output feature enhances passenger entertainment by supporting dual-screen viewing, ideal for long trips where front passengers focus on navigation while rear passengers enjoy movies or streaming content. As a complete Android entertainment hub, it supports popular apps like YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Video, and Spotify, removing the need for phone dependency or costly factory upgrades. The smart split-screen multitasking system adds productivity, letting you run navigation and media simultaneously with customizable layouts. Additionally, the optimized UI provides quick access to essential widgets such as weather, speed, and Bluetooth, creating a clean, intuitive driving interface. Overall, it delivers a safer, smarter, and more enjoyable driving environment. Now our second product is Myatoto Magic AI Box. This 8-in-1 AI box is a powerful upgrade for cars with wired CarPlay or Android Auto, turning a basic factory system into a full Android-powered smart hub. It seamlessly converts wired connections into wireless CarPlay/Android Auto while preserving the original OEM interface, making it feel like a factory-level upgrade rather than an aftermarket add-on. Its HDMI in and HDMI out functionality transforms the car into a mobile entertainment center, allowing gaming consoles or streaming devices to display on the main screen while rear passengers enjoy movies on additional monitors. With multiple internet options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth tethering, and built-in 4G LTE, it ensures constant connectivity and even acts as a hotspot on the go. AI features like Drive Chat, ChatGPT-powered, provide voice-based assistance for navigation, planning, and commands, while TrackHU adds trip tracking and geofencing. Combined with split-screen multitasking and Android app support, it delivers a lightweight yet powerful smart driving ecosystem built for modern travel. Our third product is a Tata Select wireless CarPlay adapter. The Tata Select CB4B AI box is a smart upgrade designed to transform vehicles with wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a fully wireless, connected infotainment system. It relies on factory-supported wired systems and requires touchpad, or remote control input, making it unsuitable for BMW, most Subaru, aftermarket units, or vehicles with only wireless CarPlay/Android Auto. Its core, Drive Chat, powered by ChatGPT 5.2 and Gemini 3.0, acts as an advanced AI co-pilot, delivering natural voice interaction, navigation help, and even intelligent CAN support on the road. The device also enables a true wireless experience by converting wired connections into cable-free CarPlay/Android Auto functionality. Dual Wi-Fi support ensures smooth multitasking between connectivity and entertainment, while built-in apps like YouTube, TikTok, and Spotify turn the car into a mobile media hub. Additional features like Bluetooth auto lock, OBDI diagnostics, OTA updates, and broad cable compatibility make it a practical, future-ready driving upgrade with strong long-term support. Now number 4, WiBox AI Magic Box. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto AI box is designed to upgrade factory infotainment systems into a seamless wireless experience while preserving the original OEM interface. It works with vehicles that already support wired CarPlay, converting them into a cable-free setup with automatic reconnection every time the car starts. Once paired, it delivers stable access to navigation, calls, music, Siri, and other core driving features without needing repeated setup or app installation. Beyond connectivity, it adds an entertainment layer with support for YouTube, Netflix, and TikTok, turning the car into a mobile media hub, hotspot required for streaming. TF card and USB playback also allow offline media use, making it flexible for long drives. With dual-band 2.4 GHz Bluetooth and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it ensures fast and stable performance while reducing lag and disconnections. Its plug-and-play design, broad compatibility, iOS 10 Plus/Android 11 Plus, and retention of original touch controls make it a practical, clutter-free upgrade for modern driving convenience. And our last choice is CarPlay AI Box. This 7th-gen Car AI box delivers a high-end upgrade for factory infotainment systems, combining performance, connectivity, and in-car entertainment in one compact unit. Powered by a Qualcomm 8-core processor, up to 1.9 GHz, 8 GB RAM, and Android 13, it ensures smooth multitasking, fast app switching, and reliable system stability. The expandable 128 GB storage plus TF support makes it suitable for heavy media users. Connectivity is a strong highlight, with dual-band 5G Wi-Fi and an optional 4G SIM slot providing low-latency internet for navigation, streaming, and apps. Bluetooth 5.0 dual-channel support expands functionality, enabling hands-free calls, audio streaming, OBD2 tools, TPMS, and even game controllers. Built-in GPS ensures accurate real-time positioning without relying solely on a phone. The split-screen feature and wireless mirroring turn the system into a mini in-car theater, while customizable home screens improve usability. Ambient 7-color lighting adds a premium aesthetic touch, enhancing nighttime comfort and driving ambience. Overall, it's a powerful, feature-rich AI driving hub. So, what do you think about these products? If you found this video helpful and want easy decision-making tips, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.